This is Olivia, my foster cat. Her 5 kittens. Fun fact about Olivia, I've never heard her meow. She doesn't meow, she only chirps. She makes this cute little chirping noise. And today, Olivia has decided that she really likes this actually human baby food. Oh, she's so excited. So we're gonna give her a couple cans of this. Well, Olivia has officially got me trained now because she doesn't want to eat anything unless I put a churu on top of it. Whatever my princess wants, that's what she gets because she needs to gain weight. Look at this pile of sleepy babies. So cute. Oh, big stretch. Oh my goodness. Hi, sleepyheads. Big stretches back there. Look at this big boy. You can do it. Oh, good try.